Hello adventurers and welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek
Adventures, the channel taking you to all the cool things to do around Oklahoma. Where are we today, Danny?
We are going to the Pioneer Woman Mercantile.
In Pawhuska, Oklahoma. Let's go adventuring.
If you are looking to make a trip to Pawhuska, Oklahoma, it is just about an hour northwest of Tulsa. This type of adventure makes for a really nice day trip. The Mercantile and all the surrounding Pioneer Woman buildings are very inviting. We suggest giving yourselves plenty of time to look around here because there is a lot of merch to check out.
Look at this guy.
As you can probably expect, there are all the Pioneer Woman cookbooks available to purchase.
It's like a picnic, except it's a real plate and it looks like a paper plate.
Salt and Pepper Central. Oh, this is hilarious. Got little salt and pepper shakers. Lots of them. What is that?
It's a bread plate.
A bread plate?
Isn't it cute?
Oh my gosh, you're funny.
Oh, look at those.
Look at this mug, it's a breakfast mug. That's awesome. Taking the elevator up to the second floor.
Oh, cool. Smells good up here.
So this is the second floor of the Mercantile. It's got a coffee shop, bakery. This area is huge. There's Danny. Hey. So look into the bakery here. It looks like they're making some kind of treats. Weighing out the flour. Wonder what they're gonna make. You don't want a sugar cookie?
Ooh. Got the spicy cowgirl and a snickerdoodle cookie.
Are you gonna take a drink of it?
Oh, so it's a iced Mexican mocha topped with sweet cream. So yes, I'm going to take a drink, but looks like I need to mix it a bit, but oh my gosh, that's delicious. This place is so pretty. So they also have a restaurant on this
There's a
side.
restaurant back there. We weren't going to be able to leave without trying the food, so we started with the queso and chorizo. For the main course, I got the drip beef sandwich with chips, and Danny had the pulled pork sandwich with fresh apple slaw.
Pioneer Woman Collection. Okay, this is the stuff I've seen before. Oh, and then your mom's plates are right here. Oh, these chairs.
Oh, she does have those plates.
These chairs are so cute. Can I have this chair?
This store has the Pioneer Woman collection, which is the collection you can find at Walmart. This store is separate from the Mercantile, but you can still access it on the same side of the street as the rest of the buildings.
Which ones do you like?
I like this design right here.
These little flowers?
Yeah, they just seem kind of vintagey, and I like the red and the bluish teal color.
What do you think so far?
I like the feel of this town. It's like, it kind of reminds me of going to Disney.
There's a doggo on that truck.
Walking down Main Street. It has that kind of architecture to the buildings, and it just kind of has that feel to it.
You see the dog back there that was looking at you?
No,
It's on the trailer of that truck.
I missed it. Be prepared.
So one thing I've noticed in a bunch of these smaller Oklahoma towns that we've been visiting lately is that there are renovations happening on their downtown Main Street areas and basically every one of these towns that we've gone to. So that's really cool to see that they're working on trying to bring all of these really, really old buildings back to life. And it's kind of a Midwest revival because Kansas City, as you know, that's where we moved from. They kind of already started doing all of that up there, and now to see this happening down here, it's just really neat. I can't wait for it to be done.
Charlie's Sweet Shop is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. If you go to Pawhuska, do not skip going in this place. It is so cute. Now we are headed out to the lodge.
All right, adventurers, as you saw from those clips, we are like out here in the middle of nowhere. This farm is huge.
Ranch.
I don't know the difference.
The
Farm.
Drummond Ranch is where we are at.
Drummond Ranch, out in the middle of just
Oklahoma.
middle. It's in the middle of the middle. Like there's nothing out here.
We'll do a clip of it showing where we're parked that way because it looks so cool.
Yeah, it was crazy.
So the next clip is going to be that.
And this is the view from inside the car, just looking straight out the window, where all you see is ranch.
Land and cows and land and land and land.
Yeah, the cows are happy out here. This is the Pioneer Woman Lodge, where the episodes of Pioneer Woman are filmed.
Let us know in the comments if any of this looks familiar to you.
What a view to wake up to.
I want to live here.
You want to live here. You want to live at the lodge.
Yeah.
So this is the third bedroom.
Yep.
They're all pretty similar. Just decorated a little differently.
And there's this one.
This is the fourth one.
Ooh, that one has a big tub.
Huh. This must be the executive.
Yeah, this has some of their family pictures on it. Cool. Oh, here's more kitchen.
There is plenty of space in the lodge for Ree and her film crew when they are filming all of the episodes for the Pioneer Woman.
Oh wow.
Mm-hmm. They got it all.
Got the PW spices. A lot of different pots and pans.
I feel like this would be a really cool place to have like a Christmas or a family reunion or
Yeah, I don't think they rent this out.
no, but like all the couches in here, they have 2 huge sectional couches.
This adventure was on our things to do in Oklahoma list for quite some time, and we are super glad that we got to go and see it. It is safe to say that we both thoroughly enjoyed this one, so we highly, highly suggest that if you like the Pioneer Woman or even are just in the area and want to do something, head out to Pawhuska and do the lodge tour and see the Mercantile.
All right, adventurers, who would have guessed that we were actually going to get to use this kitchen today? Are you ready to cook with McPeek Adventures? I'm just kidding. This is actually the end of today's adventure. We went to Pawhuska. We visited the Pioneer Woman Mercantile. We did the sweet shop walk by.
Yep.
We went all around downtown, and now we are finishing our day out here at the Pioneer Woman Lodge.
This was really cool. We highly, highly suggest if you're in the area, you come out here because it's pretty neat to see it all. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure.